The threat of enemy snipers presented itself to U.S. forces in Iraq and Afghanistan from the earliest stages of Operations Iraqi and Enduring Freedom. The Army Rapid Equipping Force, better known as the REF, supported a number of counter-sniper projects in response to requests from theater. However, the more prevalent, dramatic, and severe improvised explosive devices, or IED attacks, overshadowed the sniper threat. In 2006, all that changed. Operations collectively known as the Surge increased the number of units patrolling key urban terrain, in particular operations around the section of Baghdad known as Sadr City. The enemy, determined to counter the progress of coalition forces, improved their capabilities and sniper attacks increased dramatically in number and effectiveness. The theater commander requested immediate assistance in response to this new threat. The REF director quickly designated this effort as his top priority and an opportunity to test the REF's maturing ability to provide rapid response and rapid acquisition in support of urgent requirements. The REF formed a tiger team of experts from the REF, the Army Asymmetric Warfare Office, the Asymmetric Warfare Group, the Joint Improvised Explosive Device Defeat Organization, the Army's Research Development Engineering Command, the Infantry School, the Marine Corps Warfighting Lab, and the Army Training and Doctrine Command to quickly study the problem and develop capabilities. Soon after, the REF received a formal requirement in the form of an approved operational needs statement. This requirement outlined the development of numerous counter-sniper equipment sets. Because of the unique organization and charter of the REF, by the time the operational needs statement was approved by the Department of the Army, the REF had already sent $18 million of equipment to theater. The REF Tiger team quickly developed an overarching concept uniquely drawn from analysis of the problem from the perspective of both the shooter and the target. Prevent the shot, survive the shot, and react to the shot. Initially, over 30 material solutions were identified and deliveries began within 3 weeks. Within 21 days, 115,000 counter-sniper pocket guides were developed, printed, and delivered along with a windshield security film to prevent observation of vehicle occupants. One of the most cost-effective and immediately available countermeasures was a training video produced by the REF in cooperation with the Asymmetric Warfare Group, the Infantry Center, and the Joint Readiness Training Center. This product, produced in less than 30 days, provided an immediate resource a unit could use to guide their training programs to reduce casualties and develop more effective sniper defeat measures. The REF integrated a GPS route reconnaissance system, a boomerang acoustic gunfire detection system, and a remote weapon station onto an up-armored Humvee platform. This capability, named Vanguard, enabled a sensor-to-shooter linkage that automatically brought weapons to bear on targets identified by the sensor arrays. It allowed a soldier to make positive identification, apply the rules of engagement, and give the command to fire if appropriate. With Multinational Corps Iraq developing the distribution plan, the REF, leveraging its in-house logistics capability and forward elements, rapidly deployed systems and trained units. The equipping action was intensively managed within REF, with shipping updates and effectiveness reported by segment. Almost immediately after making the first deliveries of sniper defeat systems, the REF began to arrange for the transition of these initiatives to proponents and materiel developers. Because of the early and close involvement of all the key organizations, most of the transition discussions were already underway. In November 2007, the Deputy for Acquisition and Systems Management signed a memorandum transferring responsibility for the counter-sniper effort to Program Executive Office Soldier. 14 of the original 30 systems were identified for immediate transition. When our nation goes to war, the Army frequently needs equipment and technologies that are not part of the force at the outset of hostilities. While our acquisition system has consistently developed and fielded the finest military equipment in the world, such development and testing takes time. The immediate challenges of combat operations remove the luxury of time from the equation. The REF is an innovative organization designed to meet the challenge of rapidly changing combat requirements. The standard for executing these tasks is high. The REF acts in minutes and hours, not days and weeks. No other procurement agency embodies the REF's unique sense of urgency and direct link to warfighters' operational needs. The REF, as the Army's only end-to-end capability provider for rapid prototype equipment, is revolutionizing the way the Army gets new technology into the hands of the warfighter.